Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile picture in Canva. To add a profile picture to your Canva account, open the Canva application or website and log into your account. After you're inside the home page of Canva, tap on your hamburger icon at the top left corner. This will open up the menu interface where you'll need to tap on Add your picture under your username at the top left. Now you can choose one of these options from the pop-up menu. If you want to choose a file from your device, select Choose File and choose a picture you'd like to add to your profile. If you want to take a photo from your device's camera, tap on Take Photo and take a picture. If you want to choose an existing photo from your device's camera roll, tap on Photo Library. Select a picture you'd like to use as your profile picture and once done, click on the Done button at the top right. Within a few seconds, you will be able to upload your profile picture. So that way you can easily add a profile picture on your Canva account, whether you are using a mobile device or website for Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.